chase the horizons, literally. It's 3:45 p.m. and I'm gonna go to Wallaman Falls. So I'm quite late. So it means I'm gonna arrive when it's already dark. But yeah, I can't change it. Oh shit! Oh my goodness! I just realized that the brakes. Oh my goodness! Takes so much longer to brake now. Yeah, that's it. Goodbye, Cairns. And well, let's go for adventure. But yeah, look at the surroundings. Isn't it beautiful here? It's very hot. The only good thing is that I'm leaving now is that it's getting a bit cooler. At least soon. It's still quite warm, but you know, after 4 p.m. it starts a bit cooling down, so that's good. It's one of my favorite places or parts of Cairns. You got all these amazing mountains, the rainforest. Beautiful. This mountain here. You got rainforest within the city. It's all nice and natural. Okay, I just came back from father's house to get my cross and my St. Christopher's medal blessed for on the road. So it's around my neck now. You can see it here next to my cross. It is 4:45, so it's quite late, and I still have to go all the way to Wallaman Falls, so it's gonna take me well, a bit less than 4 hours. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna arrive in the dark. So yeah, as you can see on my maps, yeah, it's gonna still take me 3 hours and 48 minutes. So now it says I'm gonna arrive at 9 o'clock. That's quite late. Google Maps for some reason showed me a better time. So I don't know what's going on there. But yeah, as I said earlier, I left quite late, and it is what it is. It's gonna have to ride in the dark. I won't be able to film once it's dark because you can't see anything really. Wow, it's just stunning. Yeah, as you can see now, it starts getting dark. Oh look at the sun rays going through the clouds. What beautiful. But yeah, it's 5:15. I didn't expect it to be dark already. The sun is already behind the mountain. It should still take another hour before it gets proper dark. So yeah, I should at least have another hour of bit of brightness where it's, you know, bearable, where I have enough light to see. Afterwards it's gonna be in the dark. And I mean, in Australia, like most places, if you're outside of the city, there's just no lights. So it's gonna be interesting. I was planning to install like bigger, better headlights. I was never getting around to do it. I mean, this is the reason why I came to Cairns in the first place, because of sunsets like this and just the beauty of this country in this area. It's just stunning, absolutely beautiful. This is Mirrorwini. It's a tiny town. It's still holding up pretty well, the lights, so can't complain really. I think it's still going for the sugarcane trains. Very tropical here, and you could see on the bridge there was quite a bit of rust on it. It's just the humidity is very high. It's 20 to 6 now, so I have like 1 hour of light left. I'm thinking to grab a Subway sandwich if it's still open, but I won't eat it there. I'll just have it when I arrive at Wallaman Falls. So yeah, I just arrived in Innisfail now. Still light, which is the main thing. So it still says it takes another 3 hours. So yeah, see how it goes. I just grabbed myself Subway sandwich, and I'm not gonna eat it now because it's still light, so it's best if I just keep on going riding. But I'll just take it in one of my bags, and yeah, then hopefully I'm gonna arrive at Wallaman Falls before 9 o'clock. See how it goes. Alright, so it continues. I had a quick a few bites of the Subway sandwich. Had like half the sandwich of a foot long, so I'm a bit more refreshed. Still a bit hungry, but I'm gonna eat the rest when it's dark and I'm actually at Wallaman Falls, because I just have to keep going now. Looks like I'm gonna arrive after 9. It's quite late. It is what it is, can't change it. I'm riding into the sunset. Well, close. It's getting there. Chase the horizons, literally. Here we go. It's 6:15. Sun is definitely setting now. It's gonna be a long road in the dark. That looks very strange. It took lots of the mountain away. I wonder why. Oh, maybe they extend the highway. Maybe they make it wider. Not sure. Yeah, probably. Looks like it. Hey, look at these geezers. They're dirt bikes. Hey, it looks like they're having a lot of fun. Are they kids? And 2 girls without a helmet. Yeah, it's probably not a smart idea. Yeah, so I truly get the last bits and pieces of the light, and after this it's just riding in the dark. And it already feels a bit eerie if you ask me. It says, strangely enough, when I do the navigation with Waze, it says it takes 2 hours and 37 minutes. Like if I say drive, 2 hours, 7 minutes. So I hope Google Maps is right. I don't know, maybe he's doing a longer route or something like that. I'm not sure, I'm gonna see. As you can see, it's getting very, very dark now. Woo! Exciting. Another 2.5 hours.